Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm sharing a super simple hack to create multiple folders in seconds using just Excel and Notepad. Let's jump right in. We all know how annoying it is to create multiple folders manually. Right-click, name, repeat. Ugh. What if I told you there's a quicker, smarter way? Using Excel and Notepad, you can generate dozens or even hundreds of folders in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. First, open Excel and type the names of the folders you want in a column. Here, we have employee name, of which multiple folders required for each employee. In the next column, enter this formula to generate the commands that will create your folders. This formula adds the necessary command syntax to each folder name. Drag the formula down to match all your folder names and boom! Your folder creation commands are ready. Now, copy the entire column with the commands, open Notepad, and paste the content there. In Notepad, go to File and then Save As. For the file name, type folders.bat. Make sure to select all files as the file type, and then click Save. Finally, double-click the batch file you just created and watch the magic happen. All your folders will be created instantly. How cool is that? No more wasting time on repetitive tasks. And there you have it, a super easy way to create multiple folders with just Excel and Notepad. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more productivity hacks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.